Plain on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not pressed with making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. No liens on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real. Been in shock, I'm not a lick, for real. Don't trust the soul, it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No pictures by the crib, for real. Can't let them know just where I live, for real. 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 Really real. Really real. Really real. Really real. For real. For real. For real. For real. Plain Jane on my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. Time to run it all. I wake up. Yeah. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down that. Check. No drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up. Flex. Thumb down that. Check. No drip this. Wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turned to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'll make me gritty. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down that, check, no drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that, check, no drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell 'em run it up. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Niger, he'll come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they're getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name. I wake up, flex, thumb down that, check, no drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down that, check. No drip this, wet. Tell 'em run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first I stretch. Tell 'em run it up.
Good morning all. Hope everyone's good, hope everyone is well, and yeah, let's get it. Let me make sure I'm all systems go. You guys know the drill. We look good. We look good here. So let's get it here. Friday, last day of the month here. And yeah, it's going to be good to get into September, see what price action entails for September, and hopefully get out of this range. So let's have a look at news here as usual. And yeah, let's go here. Today is giveaway day. You guys been waiting for that. So Mr. YouTube chat will be very happy. So today, Friday, had some Tokyo CPI, obviously no major impact looking at what price action did. Came back higher than expected, which is generally good for the yen, continuing our bearish bias. Did see a little bit of downside. Later on, we have a bit of, PCE here. That's about it, man. Just PCE, basically. So we'll see what they're expecting. This could have... this can have an impact, right? This can have an impact because it's kind of a measure of inflation, right? So we'll see what are they expecting. Yeah, we'll see what ends up happening here, but they're expecting numbers to come back at 0.2, basically same as previous. So we'll see if that comes back higher or lower. And normally if this comes back higher, then we could see a move, I would believe, down in gold here. Have to double fact check myself. And yeah, this is how it is. So if we go ahead and look at what's going on with price here, we can go and do the analysis. So GJ, big surprise, guys, we're still in the range. Holy shit, how can we get out of this range, man? This is how it is. So yeah, stuck in the range still, guys, and not really doing much here. So analysis is going to be the same, no real bias here. Starting on daily time frame, daily basically closed doji here. Very dirty range, 4 hours getting dirtier and dirtier. You could see, I can't speak this morning, guys, end of week, give me a sec. Range was getting wider in the beginning of the week, and now we're contracting. So all I know is it's cooking up for next month. If we can stay in the range for the rest of the day today, next month it's cooking for something, right? We're definitely going to cook, I don't know, this is some sort of Wagyu steak here for sure, maybe Kobe beef, definitely A5 here, and we'll definitely see some sort of breakout here. Now, in terms of lower time frame here, it's just getting very inconsistent. We're coming from the bottom of the range to the top of the range to the bottom, and we're seeing at the top of the range actually us do some nasty price action where even if you were to take resistances formed, it's liquidity grabs to the highs. So this same thing could happen to the lows as well. So even if you're just looking to play from the bottom of the range, you have to put stop loss like 53 pips here because of these nasty little liquidity grabs, just trying to mess up traders end of the month. And moral of the story, when the range is getting this tight, don't really want to trade this. Personally for me, range is dirty here, price action is dirty, and it's slow here. So not too interested with GJ here myself, as it's stuck in the range. Don't really care what it does in the range here. If you want to micro trade it on the 1 minute inside of the range, good luck to you. And hopefully you don't give profits back end of month. That is going to be your goal today if you're going to trade this range. Now, there's not really much clean ranges inside of this range. I'd say maybe the only clean candle is going to be this one here, which is kind of forced in my opinion, to try force it through. But at the end of the day, if you want to force the range, that's your choice as well. Now let's look at gold here. Gold definitely does have a lot cleaner ranges than GJ here. So let's do the analysis and see what happened. So daily time frame here, previous daily did close bullish here, forming a support back outside the range. This I kind of consider two zones here where we are ranging between the highs and the lows here. We're inside of this range, right? So as we can see, we're kind of sitting inside of here between the highs and the lows. I don't really consider this a trend. Higher time frame is still bullish though, because we're not breaking down. At the moment, we can see we have formed a higher low and equal highs here. Normally when we have equal highs here, there is a chance that we do get a liquidity grab and to come back down. I'm still considering this area here breaking structure as important, but at the meantime we haven't really broke daily structure, and now I'm feeling more confident that price is in one of these phases where we see this type of action happen, and we need to break daily structure before getting more downside to set up for higher time frame buys long term, right? Either from these zones down here, maybe in the 2450 2450s here, but we'll have to see. In the meantime here, previous daily closing bullish, previous 4 hour closing bearish, Let's do a bit of a markup here, bring back all of our ranges, and yeah, start to clean up our ranges here. So let's move that away. Let's see what we got here. So I know it looks crazy now because I haven't done anything, but we can start to clean price up here. Just want to see, is this still relevant, this area here? 30 minute, 1 hour, not too relevant. So let's move this up to the 4-hour support here. Right, we'll put this 4S. This we'll put as key level 2500. This 15-minute level here can go. This 15-minute level here is relevant. We're reacting off it right now. This one here is still relevant. 1 hour resistance up here. We can remove. So what we're working on right now is we have this little 15-minute pause I don't like. 30-minute is clean below there. Bias is obviously mixed today, leaning more on the selling side of bias here. What did this 5-minute tap? 5-minute tapped into that zone. Wonder if we can move it something like this, but I do not like that we have these wicks rejections from there. I do feel like we kind of need. I think impulsively we could take it below if we just get a close below this zone here, but realistically I want to close below the whole zone, and then we have till the 4-hour support. So how big of a range? 28 pip range there. Already had a liquidity grab just now, which is nice. 1 hour time frame is trying to form support here. That closes in 15 minutes. 30-minute is no bottom wick, and current 15-minute candle just closed inside of the range. So I'd say we need close below here to look for what's this, for sells here. Now for the buys, I think we need more price action. I actually think, and this is going to be quite annoying if it happens and unfortunately you're in sells, but for buys, if we see this come back down here, grab liquidity, hopefully it does it in a wick, not a candle closure, so we're involved, but you know, then rejects, and then we get back above here, we could be looking for the buys back to continue up here. If not, then, you know, obviously inside of here I'm not interested. Very small range, I kind of wanted to leave the range, and then we'll be looking what to do. If price wants to come up first, create a resistance to continue down, I will also be able to sell that down. Just replicate these lower highs, one more lower high here, use this 15 as a watch, and etc. So that's going to be the plan on gold here. Taking A+ setups today, or just good setups end of month. I don't want to give back any profits, and I want to have bullets for next month, right? That's the whole goal as a trader. And yeah, so let's just see what ends up happening. Let's have a quick look at GU as well to see what GU has formed here. So if we go ahead, you know, very messy where we are right now, obviously. Let's hide drawings and start from the daily time frame. Obviously resolution towards the downside. It's a massive daily candle closure here. 4-hour time frame as well, head and shoulders pattern as well, retest as well. Yeah, this looks like it wants to dump, huh? Yeah, this looks like it wants to dump. Definitely some bearish momentum here. Daily candle closing below. This is looking prime next month to maybe see some sort of pullback. Rejection wick on monthly. Yeah, problem is this is the last day of the month, so trying to get into a swing trade right now is gonna be it's gonna be a little bit tough. Weekly candle closing bearish. Yeah, I like this going into next month, making a top wick. If we can revisit somewhere here next month, I'm actually gonna look at higher time frame at this pair, you know, to come back into here. But we're close to this target here. If we bring back drawings, we can start to delete all of this. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. 4-hour I can keep. 4-hour support. This bye bye, this bye bye. This daily resistance we can keep. This we can duplicate. Actually, this bye bye as well. This we bring down here. Right, that's the current range we're working on. So previous 4-hour close bearish at the bottom of the range, so we are bearish bias today. You know what I'd actually like to see? I'd like to see this pop up, and I'd like to sell from this 4-hour resistance. I'd like to get in sells from this 4-hour resistance and create clean candle range here. If we get continuation trade, look at these wicks. This is a nasty zone here, huh? I guess we could look. I don't trust the continuation trade in that wick. So I'd love, this is what I'd love to see on GU. So it'd be a pretty simple option to see sells from there. Boom, back down. This would be nice. Creating lower high. I would love to see that, and that's exactly what I would look for today. So kind of looking for sells from here, right? Kind of in this whole zone, right? It can form anywhere at this resistance, right? If we consider this a resistance, right? That's your resistance, a little bit lower, but it could tap the 4-hour. Here's your resistance, which can flip support here. We'd expect it to fill the LTA. We can't buy that LTA because it is what? Because it is a bearish session. So be going against the rules there. Because we could even have a even tighter trade to where price doesn't even want to reach that resistance. Price could just do what? Price could come in up here, fake out from this resistance, and then we have a setup 4 towards the downside, right? Remember that free webinar you guys have on WAP that explains setup 4, right? So setup 4 could be an option today if we're getting outside of this and close back in. I'd be interested in that, right? So let's put this as 15. And we'll see if we can get from possible sells, right? From these zones. Sells. Question mark. Also looking for sells here. Sells. Question mark. So that's the plan on both pairs here, right? And yeah, that's the overall plan today. Now we just need to wait and see what's up on the charts and react accordingly. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do here. And yeah, let's see what happens. I hope you guys enjoyed the analysis. 270 of us in here, and let's see what's gonna go on. Seems like a lot of people taking the last day off of the month, which is actually not a bad thing, right? I like to see that. That's not bad. That means some people are actually disciplined, said, hey, gonna call it a month, etc., etc. And yeah, I appreciate you all. You guys know the drill. Today is gonna be giveaway day, so be sure to stay in the stream here. And yeah, let's see what ends up happening. Do the business here, do the YouTube business. Let's get the likes up to 100 likes to begin with. And yeah, let me catch up on chat. What has chat been saying? Morning, yes. You heard about Don? No, I haven't heard about Don. Don is done. No, I don't know what happened to him. Few people are saying that. More people. No, I don't know what happened to him, guys. I don't know what happened to him. I mean, I know he's not streaming anymore, taking a break, right? I know he's not streaming and taking a break. His copy trading account, 95% of the account gone. I see. That's unfortunate, actually, to blow that whole account and the people who were invested in him. You know? I think he went to get a chicken, or he followed the chicken. Yeah, it is unfortunate when anyone takes a massive hit, man. It's you know, it's sad to see it happen, you know, of course. If someone takes a big hit, you know, I hope he's okay. Obviously, you know, it's not, you have to realize that, yes, it has affected a lot of people, you know, but we have to also make sure he's okay as well. But yeah, that's unfortunate for people to lose their whole account. It's unfortunate for people to lose their whole account. GJ moving up. Yeah, you guys are so interested with GJ, then trade GJ. But if you think this is very nice price action, good luck to you. Good luck to you. Good luck to you if you think this is very tradable and you have an addictive compulsion to trade inside of this shit. Like, this is where you lose money. Because it's gonna be, you're gonna be the same person that if you take a loss in this range said, man, that's a shit trade, don't trade, blah blah blah. What happened to Don? Apparently he unfortunately took a very heavy hit on his copy account, on his account. It's a bait, big bait. Exactly, it is bait, GJ, right now. Will you open another spot for the exclusive next month? Not sure yet. I don't have a plan. Maybe mid-month we might open exclusive, but yeah, man, you know, you need to just hop on the wait list right now. That's the only thing, is gonna be the wait list. I'm being quite, you know, I'm keeping the group nice, you know. I'm keeping the group very contained, and I'm quite enjoying the waitlist approach, you know, where I can choose who comes in, right? How's the trading week? Did I miss a lot? Came from a vacation. Laurie Jean, best time to go on vacation. Look at GJ for the week. How does this look for you? So you made right decision. So you can feel good about that. Are they talking about Donvo? Yes, they are. They are. Oh, let's focus on what we have to do today. No good price action today. No trades for today. Enjoying a long weekend. Yeah, that's fine. Do we have a long weekend? Or you mean you're taking today off? Is Monday bank holiday again? No, Monday is back in business. No bank holiday Monday. Next week will be the first week of the month. You know what the first week of the month is? NFP. All of this we'll have next month. First Friday of every month should be... don't know why they didn't put it on Forex Factory. We have a bit of GBP news. Monday is for us in the States. Is Monday a bank holiday in the States? Then we have to be careful trading. Then that, okay, why don't they put it in? Why don't they put it in? Why don't they put it in the news here? It's Labor Day. Well, yeah, there's definitely no New York session on Monday, and if it's a big bank holiday, then you know we have to be careful as well with London here. But we'll be using that session more for information, as it's the first day of the month, right? So we need that as an it is USD bank holiday. There we go. USD bank holiday. Interesting. So I guess London will be more of an information day. We'll wake up and see, inshallah, you know, how everything is. All right. GU is making that move up that we wanted to look for sells. Bearish bias on GU as well. We're still talking about Donvo. I want to know, how did people know about what he blew? Because he had a copy trading account, apparently. That's what people are saying, is he had a copy trading. Right? Guys, 346 of us in here, 70 likes, sleeping. Today's giveaway day. You guys love today. We'll see who wins today. Let's go set it all up as well. Let me make sure to go and do the like reminder bullshit. Oh, we lost a like. Let's have a look. There we go. Put the scam likes in chat. Let's set up. What time is it? What time is it in UTC right now? Someone can calculate that for me. Harry, can you explain a little why you wanted to go up first for GU to create a clean zone to continue sells? and liquidity. If you don't mind explaining. Of course I don't, because there's no range to trade towards the downside. So if you're bearish bias today, how are you going to sell? You can't sell. You can't sell without range, right? There's no range here. There's no range here. We're at support. And by the time it reaches here, this is a massive fake out zone because it's grabbing liquidity. Look at all the rejection wicks. You don't want to sell into that. You don't want to sell into that. So essentially, we needed to go up in order to take sells, right? We needed to go up to take sells, because going up like this is now, look what it's doing. It's creating us range. This is creating us range to potentially sell. Right, especially if we can come up to this zone, it's like 8 pip range it will create, plus all of this down here. $6 a.m. Thanks. We'll do the giveaway, first giveaway. Now it's 6 a.m. right? So 6 a.m. We'll do it around 7:20. It's already set up. 7:20. Let's do it. All right, first giveaway is going in. Publish. This is in my free Discord. What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Why didn't it publish? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Date. Apply. There we go. That's why. In the free Discord. Right? So this is ongoing. Free Discord. Just go to the free Discord. Go to giveaways in the free Discord and participate. We'll probably re-roll this. So you can click participate. Did the person for FTMO 10K answer? No, we got it given to the next person. He did answer, but I'll explain that after stream what happened. He feels he's not ready for an FTMO challenge yet. So, he's going to be credited that money and I'm going to do something else. I'm going to give away more because I'm a very generous person. We go mad. Let's see, 22 people. We will re-roll this, guys, huh? I think maybe I'll do 1 or 2. I'm not sure. We'll see. I'm feeling today. If we get pips today, then for sure I'll do 2. Because then I'll be happy. And the other giveaway is we'll probably do on YouTube chat here. But we'll do that a little bit later. We'll do that towards the end of the stream. How to participate? It is in the free Discord, right? In the free Discord. Join the free Discord. It's in the description. Discord link doesn't work? Yes, because some people are blocked. So if you're blocked, it won't work. Or just open it in browser. Sometimes you just need to copy paste the link in browser. It will make it work. And you'll be happy. I won't enter pointless. I mean, it's not pointless because it costs you nothing. It's literally just pressing a button. Like, you have nothing to lose by pressing a button, right? It's just something nice. It's just something we can do. And it supports a few people who want to be part. I mean, there's no harm. There's no harm, right? There's no harm for doing nothing by pressing a button. Just saw that your reel on Insta got 1 million views. Congrats, small guy. Thank you, thank you. What was the big spike up and down on GU and GU dollar also spiked up without news? When was that? You have to tell me which one that was. Which spike? Just, oh, you mean a few minutes ago? This one here, just volume in the market, man. Just volume in the market. End of month, you know, end of month, a lot of orders. It's a very fishy price action you get end of month. I don't like to see gold ranging. I don't think anyone likes to see any type of range. Alright, happy full lot Friday. It's full margin Friday, man. Full margin Friday. No yesterday after stream? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. After stream yesterday, spike. Spike. You mean this one here, this continuation candle? Yeah, I guess it was, oh yeah, that was Euro News, man. Yeah, that was Euro News, yes. I do remember that spike. That was because of Euro News. Yeah, it was because of Euro News. See what gold wants to do here though. Harry, tomorrow is my friend's birthday. Please say, bro, can you stop trying to bait me into that? Like, I know the meaning of that. You're Gandu, not him. I'll have a look at some plans. Another 100k passed. Very good, very good. Payout next, hopefully. Let's have a look at some plans. This is a gold plan. Structures for sells, mixed bias. Yes. Buys above there. Probably won't happen by London. Whenever you make a plan like this, don't allow that. Don't take that during the same session. Because by the time we get up here, it's already done. It's already done. Move is already done. As you said, not clean LTA anyways. Right, GU plan sells below here. I don't like the rejection. I rather see structure below there. Structure below there so that you don't get caught in another fake out. Because this is your retest zone. But you saw my GU plan. But that would be my feedback there. See, Toby sells below. Yeah. With a liquidity graph. I like that feature actually. Adding that is pretty nice. Pretty nice to look for that as well. Don't see anything on GJ. Totally agree. Gold here, looking for above here potentially for buys. Yeah, that would be break of this structure here. Yeah, for that scenario, we would like to see it come up there, reject, then get above, just so we have somewhere to put stop loss. Otherwise, if we just, you know, we could get fake outs here, right? Just keep momentum going towards the downside. Overall good, overall good. Bro's looking to clip and dip. Yeah, it seems like it, you know. Thanks, Harry. I appreciate it. I took sales during Asian on gold after grabbing liquidity of all-time highs. Did that make sense long-term as a setup? Yeah, selling top of the range, definitely pretty good idea. Especially after this, I would have liked, you know, that's definitely good. You know, something like this close below here for sure. Even higher time frame swing trades, trying to hold it. If it comes back, get out, break even, that type of stuff. Can you give me your course for free? Yeah, I can. It's already for free. The only course I have in terms of a course put together called a course is on YouTube, right? 52,000 people watched it. That's insane. That's really good. It means that it's obviously something useful. We will make a updated 2025 one. Will need to come here over what we've learned, some more stuff in there. That's for sure. You know? But yeah, in terms of my exclusive group content, that's more in-depth content. But remember, that's recorded naturally. That's not pre-recorded. That's actually recorded in our live sessions, you know. You obviously don't reveal 100% of your strategy for free. You hide some source. I wouldn't say it's source. What I do hide is experience, because experience is learned over time, and that can't be taught in a video, right? That can't be taught in a video. And again, to be a trader, you have to understand, if I have a profitable method, I'm not going to come out there and I'm going to give you obviously all of the stuff behind it, because I don't mind. I want to see more profitable people in the market. The whole concept of traders, if they have a winning system, they should not give it to people. It's not as simple as that. Application of that system is just as hard. And that's what people fail to understand. Giving information is fine. Remember, the majority are going to struggle to apply information because they don't give it time. They don't set correct expectations. They have psychology. They have, you know, factors where they don't view the markets the same. So that is why that's why courses don't really work full overall. It's about you taking your time and applying the information. So realistically, I'm not giving, you know, like I'm not hiding source, but what is hidden is time with me. Time with me, you know, and having that actual time where you could get feedback from me. I have natural, what you call it, scenarios where I can explain in depth how to do different things, right? You know, that's gonna be key, right? And that's kind of what we do. That would be the difference between the exclusive group, is natural things occur where we have to explain it. That's recorded as well for people to watch back. But then day-to-day process is what's really important, is helping people apply. Everyone in the group is going to be working on application to learn concepts and stuff is there for them to do by themselves. After that, they're reaching out to me, they're sending in things to learn application and learn what to do in different scenarios. And also, it's not only that, we want to be in a community of traders. That's why we're here on stream as well, you know, because this is a good way, as I said, is to make content, because I'm not really a content creator, right? I'm not really a content creator. So I don't want to sit there and have a whole production to make content, even though it would be cool, you know, but it's not the route, because I want to trade and work and stuff like that. But of course, I do think I will up the content game. I'm even thinking of a second channel. I'm thinking of a second channel just for day-to-day life. But I need to hire someone full-time, actually live in with me to be able to do that, film and stuff like that. That would be pretty cool. Would you guys watch that if I made that type of stuff? It would be like different, like it would just be like outside of like trading, just general stuff, you know. $3 per hour Dubai rate, so that would be insane. I'll definitely do that like yesterday. I'm in the exclusive group. I can say mostly what discussed in the exclusive group was also in Harry's YouTube channel, like those setup entries. Yeah, setups and stuff, of course, our basic stuff are gonna be there. I can show you like the difference content wise in the exclusive group. But remember, the exclusive group is more for the live and the community vibes, but there's actually a lot more advanced content that no one is going to really be interested to watch on YouTube. So check out some of this stuff. So all these fundamental videos are going to be on, you know, basically YouTube, but this is more advanced, right? Like you'd see the videos are going to be longer here. For example, this video right here is going to be 8 minutes of just discussing mixed bias, right? The setups as well, stuff like this, you know, stop loss placement, knowing when not to trade, like that's a topic in itself, you know. Risk management, key levels, gold strategy trading, like specific strategies. And then this advanced concepts is obviously not going to be on YouTube, as this is not a video people are going to watch. If I post this on YouTube, no one watches it. So there's no point of value of me doing that. But sometimes we talk about this stuff on live stream. That's why we live stream, right? That's why we live stream. You know, stuff like cascading supports, how volume is created. You know, economics here is very important as well. And why managing trades. Managing trades I'm actually, you know, releasing for you guys. And then some exclusive content. These are like 1 minute squeeze method, percentage value of holding runners, like some important stuff. Bank of Japan information, 1 minute breakout scalping strategies, change of character versus break of structure. This psychology webinar is worth $1,000. that is definitely worth. So that's just the difference, guys. That's just the difference. Now, good. GU is coming up to our zones. Let's see if we can create resistance. This is pretty exciting that we're actually moving here. This is exciting that we're moving. So if we can start to come up to 1.38 or something, create resistances there, will be super interesting. Harry, if GU close above 50-minute resistance, is it a good idea to buy? Not taking it, but just want to ask. Yeah, like what Manning said, it's bearish bias. I wouldn't trust it too much. But, you know, I think, let's see how risk to reward would look. You have about 7 pips here, stop loss about 6. Yeah, I mean, I guess it would be just about enough. It would be just about enough. But the thing is, if this decides to flip now and fake out back in the range, I'm looking for sells, right? Harry, the spike was an hour after Euronews on GJ and GU. No, that Euronews was not specific news. It was tentative, which means it comes out at any time during the day. If you go back and look here, Euronews, all day. So they were releasing figures all day, right? How to get founding account? Man, if you don't know how to get a funded account, then I recommend you don't even look into funded accounts, right? Today I get DMs like this all the time, but it's good also to create awareness. Apparently some people join my groups, my free groups, right? And they sell their own services. So this guy paid for their signal services. He paid $50 for their signal services. He hasn't joined my private group or anything like that, and obviously got scammed. No signals were sent. He wasn't added to the group, etc., etc. And they have like a free group that is showing profitable signals, and he got lured into that. Now it's mind-boggling to me that people are gonna pay for a service that is not verified, that is not, it's just some random person you met on Telegram, and you're still paying $50. Like, it's not like it's $5 or $1, you know? It's the same price of what a verified service will cost. So please, guys, don't be wasting money like that. And also, please don't DM me saying that you bought a funded account and you're in drawdown and you're about to lose it. What can you do? Listen, I will reply the same thing all the time, which is you have to have a plan, you have to have a structured plan. And if you lose the account, then guess what? You weren't ready yet. Following a plan. If you didn't follow a plan, you're obviously going to lose the account. You're going to lose the account unless you get lucky. It's one or the other. But guess what? Long term, you're still going to lose the account. So, you know, this is very simple stuff. Tell them to close eyes and buy. On what though? You have to give them the exact signal, man. And then don't forget to tell them on what. I think it's not a question of them being verified, but they cheat with results and it looks awesome, easy, made money. I tried for myself many of these cheats. Well, that's my point. That's easy to be fooled by it, right? It's easy to be fooled by that stuff. Like what I mean by verified is I'm here daily live. I'm here explaining everything, you know? Like you're just meeting some random person on Telegram showing you results. Like where's the where's the value in that? And then you still go and pay $50, but you're scared to pay $50 for something that is worth of value. Like, it's a scary thought to me. It's a scary thought to me. How many people in the giveaway so far? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 105 people in the giveaway. Give it reactions. Ireland. Someone's from Ireland. Let's go. I'm actually, some of my family's from Ireland, so that's cool. Send the chicken away, chicken hit again. Oh, I used 50-50 for this week. He took a big loss yesterday. That's you? Let's go, Rob. Nice to see, nice to see. Yeah, I didn't see who reacted to it. I'll be honest, your live stream is worth $100, but you give it for free. Yeah, you know, at the end of the day, I have to make correct impressions, and I just want to come out and, you know, remember, a lot of people want to promote something to obviously seem as hype as possible or as in trend as possible to get as many people onto them as possible. Whereas me, I want to show what realistic trading can be like, you know, like times of slow movement, times where, you know, maybe things are not going to be as fun as they would be. And this is reality, man. This is reality. And I actually have like, there's a way to say this, is that people don't understand about stability in trading. If you want stability in trading, you have to expect to make less. Because stability comes from consistent growth over time. Look at something like the stock market that gives very low amount of gains over past in history, but still has the opportunity to crash. It still has the opportunity to crash. So realize that stability in the markets, there'll be times of good times where you can make good gains, but there'll be times where you have to not expect the same. Think about it over a year, not month to month performance. Even quarterly is also okay. You know, this is what people have to understand about expectations and stability. To be honest, I don't believe in stability as traders. I don't. You know? And think about a business, right? If you start a business and you want quick growth, you reinvest all your profits. If that business fails, it's done. Right? The business is done. You blow everything. Same thing would happen in trading. This is why we didn't take these buys, right? You don't go against bias, guys. You don't go against bias, because now I'd be feeling like crap because this doesn't look good. But you have been stable in trading, but I'm not here pushing 20-30% a month, am I? That's the difference. That's the difference. I'm not saying that this month I have to make 50K. I'm not saying that this month I need to make 100K. I'm focusing on stable gains. you believe in stability under some conditions. I don't believe in stability because you never know what next month can be, so you can't believe in it. But based on, you know, your current data, yeah, there is stability, because you don't expect, like, you can, I would say it depends on your definition of stability. If stability is being profitable month to month, then I believe it. If stability is saying, hey, I have a $10,000 account and I need to make 20% a month to risking 1% to be stable in trading, I don't think that's stable, right? Like, that is not able, you're not able to do that stably. So it depends on your definition. So for me, if you were looking at low percentage, let's say 2% a month, I like that figure. 2% a month is stable. That I could say confidently that this is very possible, right? And achievable easy, you know. But once we start to push, I would say above 10%, 8%, this is where I don't believe there is actually stability. Like, you're not gonna be able to do that. 2% is too low, I aim for 5. Well, yeah, then it's not gonna be stable, right? Because some months you won't get 5%. Right? What if you don't get 5%? So then you can't say it's stable. And this we're all calculating on 1% risk. On 5 pairs, come on, man. I'm telling you the truth. Run it over a year. Let's see. You know, what if you have one bad month? Then it's considered not stable. If you have a bad week, that's why I say compare quarter to quarter, year to year. That's stability. But week to week performance is not stability. You could have a stable month, stable quarter would be for sure. This is good. But stable weeks in terms of consistent gain every single week is not. Look, for the last week, I've only been able to do this. You know, I've not been able to take a trade because markets have been ranging, but I haven't lost. So in my eyes, that's stability. But I'm doing that. That's because of my knowledge. That's how you make money in this game. Are we going to trade GU today, not GJ? GJ's in a range, man. If you want to trade GJ, good luck to you. I hope that, you know, maybe you can find something inside of here, but I just don't see anything here. I don't see anything. It's just in a very messy range. Too much inconsistency. It may move, but, you know, that's how it is. Wow, look at gold, guys. Holy shit. Good morning to gold, huh? Wonder if any news came out. This was what? 1 minute candle straight? Yeah. Have to see if any news came out here. Let's see our good old financial juice. Nothing so far. Definitely bringing GU up towards our zone here. GU starting to fake out now at the moment. I hoped it went a little bit higher, to be honest. How big? We're right at the support here. Hi, today it seems like you missed bias to me. Can you explain how did you decide the negative bias on what? On GU? I didn't miss bias because I created bias, so it's pretty much impossible for me to miss it. I don't like this stream? Yeah, then leave. We'll kick him now. We'll kick him. Did it tap the rejection zone? Not, I mean, came close to it, yeah. Came close to it. I have a question. Does every successful trader journal their trades? And what's the easy way to calculate your target for pips SL so your account can't be blown? That's risk management. Watch my risk management video on my YouTube channel. That will explain that all. And yeah, journaling trades is going to be good. I mean, I keep a public journal. This is also for me, not only for you guys to see my trades, but this is also for me, right? This is also for me to have a look. So yeah, it's important, you know. But in terms of percentage gain, guys, if you start risking more, then the 10% a month is like very possible, especially with 2% risk, 3% risk. Yeah, come on. It starts to become straightforward. So definitely what I'm talking about here is that you have to do less than you think to achieve more. Gold is moving mad out of nowhere. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on here. Look at this. This is, how big is this candle? I'm not sure what is going on here. 82 pip candle. There has to be some sort of news. I would be very, very surprised if it is. If not, then this is some market manipulation. You know how many people would have been accumulating shorts in here? Every lower high, people are accumulating shorts. End of month, ruin everyone's month with this good morning candle. Remember, this is just one candle, guys. One candle reversing hours of price action for no reason. And this is where you get messed up at the end of the month. You know? This is where a lot of people are getting messed up. Gotten gold buys from the beginning. Yeah, if we had a setup, of course we could be involved. But there's no one here who can tell me that this is going to be a move that they can predict in one candle. Maybe you can predict upside, yes, but no chance you're predicting this move in one candle. No news seemed to cause it. GBP USD closed above the range basically here. Look, actually this moves this accurately. You can see it clearly closed above the range, so it didn't fake out back in the range just yet. 30-minute closed above its resistance here as well. 5-minute creating higher low. Let's see if this is Dixie caused. No, this is not caused by Dixie. Right, we're not seeing a dump in the dollar right now for gold to be spiking up. Right, and for GU to be spiking up. Would you consider GU buys? I'm not gonna counter trend at the end of the month. You could try, but you know, I'm not in a rush. I know a lot of people want to be in a rush, but if the last 2 weeks were very good trading, just like the first of the week was very good trading, you know, first few weeks, then would you be forcing trades on the last day of the month? Counter trend. Because I hate losing on the last day of the month. I hate losing on the last day of the month. Because I go into a new month, you know, with a loss that I have to just get back on, you know. Don't have to get it, and I know I will, but for me it's just more of a, you know, each month is like a fresh sheet. Right, that's how I like to treat it. But yeah, if you wanted to try buys, then, you know, it could work here. I just don't know the probabilities with it being bearish bias, you know. I mean, let's see if it's worth it. If you took it based on this 5, stop loss would be about 7 pips here. Your target is around 3 pips. So yeah, I mean, you would be looking at a 1 to 0.5. If we got higher, let's see, stop loss here, let's say it's above here. Yeah, let's say about 7 pips stop loss, target around 5.4 pips. So yeah, basically a little bit negative risk to reward. Hi, what chart are you trading? I'm new on the chart. Sorry, I'm trading second morning on your stream. Yeah, you can see the chart here on the right hand side. You can see the name of the chart at the top hand part of the screen. You can see it on also on here as well. Few places. This right now is GBP USD. This is gold when I switch here to gold. It's possible with today news we can break all-time high. It's definitely something possible with today's news we can break all-time high. I'm kind of, you know, seeing that. Uh-oh, Fibonacci now. Yeah, but this is a whole zone, bro, you know? It's a whole zone. So realistically, it's respecting 15-minute support. Forget about Fibonacci because it didn't respect the Fibonacci. Because if you're using Fibonacci, you would say this invalidated it, right? Because it closed below. So now that you see it go up, you're saying, oh, now it's respecting. But actually, we know it's the 15-minute support here. That's what it's really respecting. That's the pure price action. That is the pure price action. It's been 2 days. Does anyone know how long it takes? I remember Lanston on his one, it took them a couple of days. You just have to keep pressing them, especially end of month, you know. Harry, start NYC streaming. You will hit 100K in a few days. Yeah, but I have a life. I don't live life to stream. Harry, can you tell me how to use Fib for confluences? Don't use them. Why do you want to start using Fib? Harry, did you kick Claudio? No, I'm gonna dox him on camera now. You want me to dox you, Claudio? Publicly doxed. He's here and I can see him with a grin on his face. Still listening? Yes, sir, Didier. On background as music. I don't think it's a strange taste of music you have. He said in YouTube chat that I kicked him. Good. Next time he tells you to jump off a bridge, also believe him in that. Is it too late to go on GJ long now? Guys, why would you want to trade this crap? Doesn't matter how it moves. There's just no trade in here, man. If you're a trader looking to trade this, then majority of the year you're going to be stuck. Like, this is BS, man. The only way you trade this is you buy from bottom of range, stop loss below the whole range. And if this happens where you did the same yesterday and you put stop loss above the range, you got fucked because this wick came here and stopped you out. So you'd really have to cry yesterday. Cry yourself to sleep. Yo, gold saying not today, huh? Should see the same thing start to populate potentially in GU. Start to close bearish. Harry, you chilly with as today end of the month? Am I chilling because today's end of the month, not going to jump in any trade? No, I'm looking for trades, but I'm not going to force a bad setup at end of month. Like, this month has been super slow towards the end and it's the last day. A lot of traders are taking today off because it's a long weekend. A lot of people are taking time off because there's bank holiday on Monday. So they're just not going to trade today, you know? People still asking about what happened to Domvo. Guys, don't ask me. I don't know the picture. You can read on the internet, right? But don't believe everything you read. But no stream on Monday. I will open stream. I will see how it looks on Monday. If we're still ranging everywhere, then yeah, we won't. But the thing, I like to come beginning of month for information purposes anyways. Even if there's no move, I want to show up for information purposes. Guys, remember there's a giveaway going on, Pip Labs giveaway. 117 people participating in the free Discord. Today's giveaway day. We will also be doing, I need to set this up, Mr. Nightbot. We'll also be doing giveaway on YouTube here for exclusive group. So this will be coming soon, end of stream. So be ready, be ready. Giveaway will be coming soon. Oh shit, lost everything. That's not good. Okay, got it back. Music, got it back. Streaming, got it back. Right? There, have it all set up. Chat is here. Let's close this for now. So yeah, we'll have keyword. We'll have to use a keyword. Regulars get no extra luck. No, regulars get more luck. 2 times, yeah. Regulars are 2 times more likely to win. All right, we'll do that. We'll do that end of stream. Hi, has this happened to you? Some trading session, you predict the move and it happened exactly you wanted and a few days nothing? Yeah, of course. Of course. You're trading, you know, it's up to the markets. Would you consider gold sells after this fake out? Never mind, it's going back up. Define a regular. Regular, someone who shows up to stream daily. That software tracks that, right? I have, in this software, I have who's my top chatter. I have who, you know, shows up to the stream chat, all of that stuff. Regular is just, they can find it by, if you've watched the stream before, like anytime you log on to the stream, it will see that. So it will count you as a regular, right? If you just open the stream for the first time today, you're not going to be counted as a regular, right? Hi, with Pip Labs, I can save my drawings. Yes, you can. There's a tutorial on Instagram how to save drawings on Pip Labs. If you check the announcements in here, I even put it here. I think, no, I put it in Pip Lab discussion here. How to save tutorial, how to save drawings. You can check this post. This will tell you how to save drawings. So yeah, guys, part of the giveaway, make sure you follow Pip Labs. Make sure you follow Pip Labs because we will be checking if you follow Pip Labs. Alright, very simple. Follow Pip Labs to join the giveaway for Pip Labs, and follow me for my giveaway. That's it. Simple stuff. And of course, be subscriber to the channel, right? Why don't you open your, oh, sorry, I read 2 questions. Why don't you trade on XAU USD? I do trade on XAU USD. You can see all my trades on gold. Here's a gold trade. Yesterday we took a gold trade. Before, these are all my gold trades. But I'll only open a trade when I find a setup. Right now, there's nothing happening. We're literally made a little bottom wick here, rejecting now. A very impulsive move. We need to see what's happening in the markets here. Why not live on gold? Yes, that is live. Come on, bro. Wake up. That is live. You should do a UAE only member giveaway. Hopefully I'll win that. That's match fixing. Would you like to open your own brokerage firm? No, probably not. Probably not. I just think it's very, even though, I mean, I don't mind something being saturated, but there's so much solutions out there. I don't think I would want to open my own brokerage, you know, and I mean, the only advantage for me, listen, I would probably want to, the only time that I would need a special brokerage is when we're trading huge amounts of capital, not if, it's when, right? Because that's obviously the plan, is to keep accumulating capital. So I need a broker I can trust, and that's where I'll probably look for someone where I could partner with, that they can offer obviously very good books, good liquidity, they can offer safety of the cash, you know. I don't have Instagram account. Does it mean I can't participate in the giveaway? No, you just have to, you know, obviously I'll make an exception. All right, GU, let's see what's happening there. We're starting to come back inside of the range. Can we close below this 15-minute support is the question. I don't like this 5-minute support there. Oof, last minute didn't, guys. No trade here yet. No trade. We last minute didn't close below this. And look at this push now. Yeah, I think I'll wait for the 30-minute close maybe here, guys. Which will also be the 1-hour close. That was fishy move. I do like the liquidity grab though. But we're still higher low structure, and GU loves higher low structure. Right, GU needs to break structure. So let's see. It was Euro News. Interesting. This one here, 11 a.m. Not yet. Where am I? Wrong day. Yeah, 10:45. Yellow folder. French. Gold did what? Gold closed bearish, but above key level. Current one, no top wick, so I expect it to make a top wick. 30-minute setup 2 might be an option here with mixed bias, guys. Keep that in mind. No top wick, we can't enter right now, as that would not follow the rules. So yeah, let's see what happens. It's red on my FX book. Yeah, I'm probably gonna change from Forex Factory. They're starting to become a little bit inconsistent, I'm noticing. Hi, do you believe in life after love? Of course, bro. Are you kidding me? What are you, some wimp? Nice stuff. I don't know my risk percentage, but I risk 1.2% average on a 60 pip SL. So 10 pips is 0.2. Good. Do I use magic keys? No, I don't. Harry, for setup 4, could we in theory have entered on 15-minute close below on GU? Not really, because we didn't close below a zone. You know, 30-minute, also previous 30-minute closed above, so no, we would need to close back inside the range, which would be this range here. Otherwise, we're just gonna do this, which is continuation. We're gonna continue up, retest my zone here, and then I'm gonna look for sells there. Gonna look for sells there. Lol, Kyle. I prepared for 1 hour entry. I must trade only the kill zones because sometimes 1 hour candle will confirm my entry so I can go out of sessions. Alright, alright. Do you believe in life after bankruptcy? Yes, of course. Make a video explaining top wick and bottom wick, how to enter setup 231. What if I told you something that it's all already there? You want to see something cool? Visit my YouTube channel. First request, setup 123. You know where you're going to find it? Right. Where is it? Here. No top wick, no bottom wick. Scroll down a little bit more. Boom. How to trade candles with no wicks. All there, man. Do you go for 10 pips per trade? No. If I went for 10 pips per trade, then my win rate would be insanely high. There's so many of my trades that get to 10 pips, but if I then take a loss, it will obviously be higher because my stop loss is not always 10 pips. So it's not going to be a good idea for me to execute that. As yeah, it would look cool because my win rate would be higher, but actual P&L in terms of making money, not really doing much. So no, I don't target a specific pip amount. I target what the chart has. Zones, resistances, supports, etc. If this can flip and close, then this is nice liquidity grab we have. How long we have to? 8 minutes. Quite some time though. Quite some time. I wonder what gold wants to do from here. It's going to be interesting to see how price action develops here and what we can do with that. It's a very impulsive move. We're retracing some of that move. Question is, do we want to just retrace the whole move, get back in the range, or do we want to create support to try retest these highs again? You know, that's going to be interesting to see. How's our good old GJ doing? Yep, messing about. Life on backside, my actual life still alive, so it's possible. Of course, it's possible. Minute flipping now. I wish we actually tapped into the zone here. If you look very precisely, we actually missed the zone. We missed the zone by a margin here, small margin. We should double check on how broker feed looks like that. Broker feed. Yeah, even broker feed. Did it tap it on broker feed? There's a small margin on broker feed as well. Harry, LTA is creating, gold is creating LTA to go down. It's kind of retracing the impulsive move. It had created that impulsive move. We're retracing it with no top wick. This could still flip in the next 5 minutes. It's possible. It's a possibility. If this candle closes bearish, yeah, this is going to be also the 30-minute candle closing bearish. You can look for 5-minute structure to get in for a scalp. You can look for like thunderstorms, pullbacks just to complete this move. Then maybe it does that, you know, but we could definitely trade from here to here. Five-minute didn't close below, still rejecting on GU. Give me a sec, I'll go to it, come back guys. Giveaway is gonna be in about 20 minutes, just so you guys know. Good luck to everyone. Good luck to everyone. Leave a like on the stream for the giveaway. Let's get it. And then end of stream, we're gonna do as well the Tradesharpe giveaway. That's the big one that you guys also like. Is it still an S4 if it closes below? Yes, because that would be just based on 30-minute. We would just base it on 30-minute. Entry break of low, stop loss above high, look to target bottom of range, use these zones as watch. But, you know, it would still be valid, yeah. But just based on 30. It will also be nice because the 1 hour will close very weak, right? It will close probably doji, which is obviously good for reversals as it shows rejection wick from upside. Obviously, it closing like this looks more like setup 1. I expect it to retest deeper. I mean, that would be your counter trend option. 5 pips for 5 pips, you do have a 1-to-1. I'd probably go break of that high. It does look tempting for sure. But last time I did that with counter trend, I got in trouble. So I'm not sure. But it really is looking tempting. Because this is clean setup, man. Nice structure formed. Getting above now. 1 hour looks very clean towards upside. So I wonder if we can trade towards that. See how much it pushes in the last minute or so. 6 pips for 5 pips now. 6 pips if it gets up to the 4 hour resistance. Yeah, I can't push anymore if we're gonna counter trend. But we can always buy on bottom wicks and stuff. Considering our luck, but remember it's not even supposed to be a very solid option as it's counter trend, right? Really keep that in mind. Giveaway Tradesharpe premium 1 month? Yes, there will be that as well. There will be that as well, don't worry. Right? Gold is doing what? Gold is closing bearish here on 15 minutes. 5 minute has a chance to create some sort of structure. We could look for potential gold scalps towards the upside. 1 hour is creating a long rejection wick. So we'll see what ends up happening there. GJ, I'm still not touching GJ in this range. It's very messy range. Morning, Harry. Thank you for your channel. I wish you all the best for today. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I appreciate that. All right, candles closed here. Let's see how 30-minute close bearish at this kind of below. Let's see how GU closed here. So GU already pushing. Nice bottom wick and push. So this could set up for ourselves from the top of the range here. It's just coming faster and faster towards our zone to potentially sell off. Remember, this is counter trend. So this could be just setting up for some nice sells, especially based on 30-minute. Range here is not the best as well for the buys, as your first target here is 4 pips. You do have max target at about 5.7 pips. How big was stop loss? About 6.8. You could probably squeeze a 1-to-1 out of here if volume comes through. If volume comes through, you can squeeze a 1-to-1 out, imagine. Coming close to our zone now. Gold sells can be an option since we faked out. Yeah, but we want that 5-minute structure to put stop, right? Because we don't want to put stop all the way up there, right? So if we can get this 5-minute structure, then we can just put stops above that instead of running massive stops. GJ price action sucks. GU pushing nicely, almost at 4-hour resistance. So this is good to note, counter trend option. Daily is a very interesting close here, guys. Look at this daily close. First daily candle closing below structure. Now, once we retest this 4-hour, we could see rejection. If we get back inside the range, then yeah, New York session, we'd actually be buying here. We'd be buying GU with confirmation and not breaking the plan. But we'll see if this starts to reject. We can start seeing it already starting to reject. If I took counter trend on GU, I'd probably be break even at this zone here. Not playing counter trend. Don't play counter trend. Dangerous. But at this point, it has no reason not to test the 4-hour resistance. Definitely can be an option to test 4-hour resistance. 5 pips, stop loss 7 pips. Just under a 1-to-1. Oh, that would have come and tapped me break even. So the sell option back inside the range is still going to be valid here, guys, as well, if we just dump quick. This is the whole reason I was scared to take buys, because of this type of dumping action we could have. You know, and then I feel uncomfortable. There's no probabilities with me. But let's see. If this ends up closing below here, then yes, sells could make sense as well below here to continue down. Tap 4-hour on broker. Okay, great. Yeah, then that's probably why we're seeing the reaction as well. What would entry look like on GU now? It would look something like this. So it would either be two things. We don't know just yet. First thing it can be is either we get resistance from somewhere up here, right? Or change of structure to continue down. Or we get this candle flips, closes bearish like this, and the next one closes below. This is also an entry option here to fill the range. You know, that's the two options. If this thing just wants to keep on trending up, then yeah, that's just gonna be it. Then price today moved counter trend, right? I'm not really a counter trend trader, as I just lose when I trade counter trend. Take buys, fam, no problem. You can take buys if you're a counter trend trader. That is totally fine, right? You follow your plan. I'm not stopping you. I'm not stopping you from taking buys today. If today was a mixed bias, then this would have been my buy option breaking the high. But end of month, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna push that for no reason here. Do you use it on NY? Use what on NY? What's it? The drawing tools? This was news, by the way. GBP. Oh yeah, a little bit of GBP news. Housing prices, but you know, doesn't really do too much. Look at GJ, it wants to break up. Yeah, break up to where? To where is the question. Counter trend? No, you just generally don't want to counter trend in the markets, right? The good thing with NY is that NY changes bias, right? NY can change bias halfway through because we have a new 4-hour candle close. So gold created high low here on 5-minute though, not 15-minute yet. This could still end up just being a top wick if we create resistance from up here. So we have to keep that in mind. How's GU doing? GU heavy rejection, man. This is what we're talking about. I hope this proves my point to everyone. How it can be tough, right? It can be tough. Doesn't mean that now it's going to reverse, but if I was in this move, then I think I would be out break even for sure, right? Which is not worth just giving back commission all the time, you know? Harry, where are you looking for sells on GU? 1 hour could start lower highs. We still got the last 3 to 5 closing bullish. Feels risky selling. What's your thoughts on this? Yeah, but that would enter your sell into profits anyways, right? The whole idea is, look, session bias is bearish. You're looking for it to retest this zone, continue down. You can get there and see what's up, right? If there's no volume to push through, then that's it. End of story. No, close 50% place on B. No, you don't want to close 50% at less than 1-to-1 and then place at B, because the next loss you take is going to be triple that because you closed only 50%. Actually, 4x that. No, a little bit, about like 3x that. So it's no point of that stuff unless you plan to leave a runner, but there's no runner in this scenario. So if you plan to leave a runner, it's different because, you know, you're trying to hit a higher time frame target, but not in this sense. Man, my zone was so accurate that I should have just sold at it. Hopefully we don't blast through, but I really hope that this proves my point, guys. You would have been stop loss hit here if you took that position. I really do hope you guys see that. Like, it's very important. You know? I really do hope you guys see that. Like, your stop loss is below candle lows. You just got your stop loss hit because of bias and not. So please understand how we just huge clutch here from analysis, right? This is why it's so important and how you can get messed up in the markets. Huge clutch, right? All the people anxious to buy and all of that stuff. Three minutes for this 15 to close. If it closes below, I'll be interested in sells. Rip to the guy who bought. Yeah, he was telling everyone to buy. I think I should join his signal service, right? Just to take a trade, because it's better to just take a trade than no trade, right? That's what everyone wants. To be involved in the market. To lose. We don't want to lose as much as, you know. Because everyone's like, yeah, let's follow this guy. Harry's not taking trades. This guy told me to buy. Well, if you followed him, you're definitely doing okay right now in loss. Buys would have made TP? No, it wouldn't have made TP, man. It would have made break-even point. Your stop loss, you need a 1-to-1 in this. Your TP is going to be this resistance up here because your stop loss here is around 6.8 pips. It pushed here 4.8 pips. It's not even close to a 1-to-1, but it did tap your BE point, which is this resistance. You know? So yeah, maybe you could have considered negative risk to reward. SL for GU cells is over 10 pips. Yeah, but it's kind of what we're working with at the moment. We'll try to see if we can adjust it above 5-minute structure to fill this range. Have to close below though. Let's see what happens. At the moment we're rejecting, but we have time. Five-minute no top wick, yeah, that's possible for now, but it doesn't really matter when the candle is closed. Gonna be negative RR? It's not, because for me I have a higher time frame picture of breaking the support at the bottom of the range as well. I expect this to be a resistance point and us to be able to break the bottom of the range here. Because if we're going to continue bearish bias, daily candle just made its top wick, retested this zone. If this shit wants to flip, we should be able to have the wick fill as well. That's the power of trading with bias, right? Trading with bias, we have range because we can expect volume to push through. Trading counter bias, you really need to be very conservative. But we're rejecting quite heavy last minute here, so I don't know what it wants to do at the moment. It's trying to decide. We're still respecting 5-minute structure, so it can still continue up. It can still continue up here. Wait for the 30, I guess. See how gold did on that closure here, so starting to create a resistance on gold. I notice FX pairs tend to range together and move together. Of course, yes. So I'm considering diversify. I'm looking at the FTSE. Did you trade it? I looked at it, but never traded it. No, I didn't. Actually, FTSE is quite complex. You need to really, it's a very voluminous move. So you need to really, you know, look into it. Cheers, Joe. Take care, man. Looking into DAX. Yeah, DAX is good, but DAX also has been ranging last couple of days. But yeah, if you guys want to diversify, that's obviously a personal choice. Make that with your portfolio, etc. Daily row rejects Asian high, broke, higher chance to take out yesterday's high, I would say. On what? Oh, on GG. Now this would line up with our GU cells as well, GJ creating resistance. But it's not really doing that at the moment. It's actually creating quite nice high lows, so I would need to see an absolute dump here in 12 minutes. Big sell opportunity. Big sale opportunity, sorry, on GBP JPY. Your name is XAU USD. You're cheating, bro. Don't cheat. Your name is XAU USD and you're talking about sales on GJ. That's cheating. Nameless PUBG Mobile. What pair are you trading into this hour? I'm trading a couple of pairs here. Gold and GU today. Bro's name is Cola but drinking Pepsi. How many pips you consider a safe range? Just depends on target, man. Like, what's your stop loss of the setup? Like, it will vary on pair to pair, obviously, because some pairs might have like gold, you know, like a 5 pip range ain't gonna do much on gold because gold is, you know, moves a little bit more aggressive. A 5 pip range on GU would be an option of sorts, right? Would be an option. So GU going up, but GJ going down. GU looks good for continuation, especially 5-minute closed above. Looks good to fill the wick. It's just not enough range for me. This would allow me to trade counter trend since we broke second structure now, but I don't know about the range, boys. It's kind of like playing between two ends, because 1 minute it looks extremely bearish, next minute it looks now bullish. It could flip again. Can we check oil? Yeah, we can look at oil. What's oil been doing? Daily time frame closing. Yeah, it's kind of coming into a sort of consolidation. 4-hour time frame working on that impulsive move yesterday, trying to retrace some of that impulsive move. I'd say, yeah, watch how it reacts at the top of the range. See if you get resistance there. If not, you're looking to continue to retest some of the top of the range there. All right, giveaway should have been done here. Congrats to Peso. Congrats to Peso. Winner 1. I am gonna give away another one. Are you ready, guys? Re-roll. Let's go. I'm gonna give away one more as a gift. Boom. Let's go. Select giveaway. PipLab Simulator. Who is it gonna be? Palladium 1. Damn. He was in the exclusive group. So yeah, congrats to these two. I'll be reaching out to you and we'll get that sorted. One more, please. We have another giveaway end of stream, guys. We have another giveaway end of stream. You guys will see. So just be patient for that. We have the Tradesharpe exclusive. How to proceed in 5K funded account. Since you're spamming, I'm not gonna answer. Sorry, brother. How to proceed. If you don't know how to proceed, then don't take it. You're not ready yet. You're not ready. I said I won't answer and I answered. Can't help helping. Yeah, I wonder what GU wants to do. I still do think GU can set up for sells on like a 30-minute, but it's just going to take time. It's just going to take time. As I said, I'm not trading GJ today inside of the range, especially in the middle of the range. Never diddle in the middle. If this 5-minute candle can close strong bearish, there might be a scalp opportunity towards the downside to flip potentially the 15 and 30 here. But we need it to close strong bearish, not doji. It's not going to tell us much. And then we could actually play it very tight stop loss. What's that? 9 pips. Wow, that's sexy. For a 14 pip target, yeah. I'll be interested in that. But in this last 1 minute, can we close strong bearish is the question. Can we close strong bearish? Or are we just gonna consolidate? How long did it take you to master your psychology and not overtrade and take bad trades? Yeah, it takes some time, man. It really does. You know, you really do want to overtrade and do some bullshit in the markets and, you know, take trades that are not there. It's definitely something that happens. Can this close deep here? 5 seconds. Let's see. Let's see. Not bad close, but I didn't have enough time to get into that. Let me see if it closed below that 1 minute range is going to be important. No, we're still respecting that 1 minute range. Yeah, it seems like a bit of a trap at the moment. Minute candle closes 4 minutes. We can maybe try this on the 15 as well. Let me think about this. Yeah, I don't know if I want to be pushing that 1 minute low here. Could try low risk for fun. Let's see. Re-break of this low. Gonna give this a low risk shot end of month to try scalp this towards the downside. My stop loss I'm gonna put above key level here. Right, key level is where my stop loss is gonna go. Above 25.20. If this 5 minute close is bullish, then it's not gonna be valid anymore. Right, so that's what I'm gonna wait for at the moment. And if it breaks through 25.20 now, then I'm just going to delete this order here. And I'm not going to take the trade break of low, right? So this will be sell order. So let's see. But this is what I wanted to wait for, the reaction and then the re-break. Why is this a reaction? We talked about that 1 minute range. So if this candle opened no bottom wick like this, reacted, it has no reason re-breaking this low. There's no reason for it to re-break the lows. Without continuing down, filling some of this area here. So that's why we wait for reaction first instead of getting triggered. So I waited for that. We saw the reaction and the continuation is what we were looking to catch. Looking to catch continuation in order for the 15 minute to close bearish and to flip the 30 minute, right? Because 30 minute close bearish as well, right? All of those things to come together. If this 5 minute candle closes bullish, I'm not going to be executing on it. But it is a thunder though, right? With 15 closing bearish. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see how strong it closes. Last 30 seconds before the 15, I'll also remove my order so we don't get caught in the next 15 minute top wick, guys. We don't want to be caught in the next 15 minute top wick. The moment looks like it's pushing up. Seems like we're going to be waiting for the 15, guys. Seems like we're going to be waiting for the 15, so stay patient. Yeah, last 20 seconds here. I'm going to delete my order for sells here and just wait because we didn't flip and re-break the lows like I wanted. so I'm not going to jump into anything. 15-minute candles closing weak bearish here, not satisfied for sells. I explained the idea behind why I wanted to sell here. So now what we can wait is we can wait for a candle to close below this support. But you see how we kept safe by noticing lower time frame? Very important today, we're dodging a lot of bullets. GU as well has absolutely rocketed now as well. On GU reaching to this TP up here. So that's good to see from GU. Obviously counter trend here, not interested in counter trend. That's not my plan today. And I'm not going to break my plan just because what if. GJ close bearish. So yeah, while we're waiting for a setup, guys, let's go ahead and run a giveaway here. So first of all, the Pip Labs giveaway, congrats to whoever won Pip Labs. You're basically getting 1 month access to our backtesting platform, which is a full backtesting platform on your browser with tick data. So you can view how the candles move live. You will also get access to our prop firm simulator. So on our backtesting software, we have implemented a prop firm simulator where you can simulate trading a prop firm challenge, right? Very important to understand. If you can't pass it on a simulator, probably not going to pass it on real life. I'll tell you that much. Now, for the Tradesharpe exclusive group is different from this. This you're going to get access to my trading floor, our community, for a month, a whole month. You get access to our community, get feedback from me. You get access to our New York trading, my plans, all of this stuff put together. On top of that, if you are a member of the group, you also get access to, of course, all of our content. You also get access to all of our webinars. Okay, and if you're part of my free WOP, which is my free webinar, you get prizes, and you get free prizes now, right? So you guys should check that out. You guys should check that out. All the people who are part, there's like 1,000 people part of the free, right? You guys can now get free prizes, right? So you guys can get all of these free prizes, right? You can get t-shirts, you can get gift cards, AirPod Max, right? All of this stuff. And I can add prizes. I will be adding some stuff in here, but I'll talk more about that next week. But yeah, let's go ahead and run the Tradesharpe giveaway. We need to put a keyword here. We're going to put the keyword lobster. So you guys have to write lobster in the chat. Whoever types lobster in the chat will enter the giveaway for the Tradesharpe exclusive. So let's see it. Let's see it. These are all the people so far. You have to type. There's 0 people entered just yet. So let's see. All right, people now entering. Let's see. We'll give it a chance. A lot of lobsters in the chat. Someone wrote crab. He's not going to enter. All right, all right, all right. 140 people so far. I should put extra win for someone who puts the actual lobster emoji. All right, gonna give it, seems like we're at a pause here, so gonna roll it, guys, for the first winner. Are we ready, guys? Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Pips Mechanic. No messages in chat. No message in chat. Can you please message something in chat? Pips Mechanic. We need you to message something in chat so we can catch you. If he doesn't reply in the next 1 minute, then we'll have to re-roll for someone else. We'll have to re-roll. Pips Mechanic. Oh, there we go. He's here. He's here. We caught him. We caught him. So make sure to go contact our admin in our free group. Yep, we got you. Go contact our admin in our free group, and we'll get you sorted. Go to channel. There we go. We found him. So yeah, we'll sort you out, man. Just talk to one of our admins and yeah, we'll sort you out. But we got you. Just put that as a note. So yeah, congrats. And more giveaways to come. More giveaways to come. So let's see what's going on here with gold. Another rejection here. Can we close below this support? If we can close below the support, but we need 4 minutes, that will be my last option for today for sells. If not, then no sells for me. GBP USD rocketing here. What a counter trend option today. So I guess counter trend was the option today. Hard to know since I follow bias as one of my rules, and especially with this daily close. Remember, this is the first time this daily close below in 1, 2, 3, 4 days, all week basically. We've been trying to close below. I don't want to disregard that, and I'm not going to disregard that because we're still at the resistance. This can still sell. As long as it respects these highs here, we still have sell options in the cards. And this is just creating us massive range to trade, guys. Keep that in mind. It might want to do a quick liquidity grab into the next resistance, right? Because that's where our real LTA starts. Our real good trading zone for buys starts here. So that's where we can look for buys in New York session. If 4-hour candle closes back in the range, I'll be looking for buys there above the range. Check gold. Hopefully it hasn't dumped because I need the close below, right? We need the close below. If it's dumped, it's a bit unfortunate. Yeah, that's unfortunate. We need a close, otherwise we don't want to get caught in another fake out. Like this. Or like what it's doing right now. So we'll see. 3 minutes here. This is what we want to avoid, is these rejections. Yep. Now you see why you wait for the close. There you go. That would have screwed you up nicely, right? Triggered you in and screw you up. That's not what we like to be done on a Friday. No one wants to be screwed. Man, we're saving so many bullets today here. It's nuts. How many times? GJ respected the range here. So let's see how the 5-minute closes here in about 3 minutes. So for the entry, we're waiting for red candle close back inside the range on GU. Yeah, or just a rejection, 30-minute rejection candle can be an option. But again, it has to respect this resistance. At the moment, we're on a little bit of a full retracement. Remember, for New York, if 4-hour closes in here, we'll change bias. Bias will become bullish, and you can look for buys. But this is just creating range to go down. I'm still, you know, I have to stick with biases. That's my rules. Today was not my plan to counter trend trade, but seems like it was the only option. Was the only option for trades today is counter trend. But actually, if I did counter trend today, I would have got stop break even. So I think this would have been more annoying, as I would have had this whole move happen and me stop break even. Which would have been like, oh shit, that sucks. Gold here, 30 seconds to close. Not doing it, right? It's not doing it. think sitting on our hands today is it. Yeah, I think there's only one option I've seen for GU, which was counter trend, but I think I would have really gone break even at that zone because that's my, you know. Oh, Sil is in the chat. Wal is in the chat. Let me make him moderator. There we go. Sil is now moderating. Look at GU. Yeah, GU is on a rocket mission. GJ on steroids? No, I don't think GJ is on steroids. GJ is stuck in a range. If you think this is GJ on steroids, should come back and trade with us in 2022. 21. Wow. All we did was go up, range go up. What's target for GU? Buys at the moment because we're in a bullish move here, right? We're in a bullish move. Yeah, we just tap target. But if we can get back above here for NY, I think buying is going to make sense here. I don't see why not. If this is going to be the last liquidity grab, like I said, we can pop up here to grab a little bit more liquidity, then yeah, we will start to create resistance and start to find our way towards the downside. You know, but we'll have to see. We'll have to see here. How's gold doing? So gold is still trying to make up its mind. If we notice, it tries to go up, now it comes back down. 5 minute is closing at that resistance. Interesting stuff. GJ is moving slowly due to holiday season. In September, the volatility will recover. GJ will climb further. It is very weak. Yeah, we'll see what happens by September. Personally, for me, I'm looking forward for this month. End of the month has been very, very slow. And I'm glad for it to go into a fresh month. Investor sentiment is going to change as new months just generally bring in, it's like a restart as well. You know, they're going to be restarting. So I'm looking forward for that because it's been a bit painful watching these charts and trying to make something of nothing, right? You know, like today is already showing me. Don't you think the previous 4 hour on GU, because it didn't close below 4 hour support, was a sign of it rejecting to go up counter trend? Yeah, but what about the daily? Because if it didn't go up, you would have said, but that daily candle was super strong, close below. I shouldn't have counter trend because look at it was just a retest of the daily. You would have been stopped out on that, which is the worst thing, right? You saw it come to stop you out. This would have stopped you out. Because you don't really account for spreads, and this would have broke low. So this could have stopped you out unless you gave it a little bit of room. For me, I would have been break even at this zone though, which would have been unlucky. So yeah, this is all hindsight trading right now, right? Remove these candles, it's not going to be hindsight. Because in this scenario, you're actually screwed in quite a few ways. Think about it. So GU gives us tight stop loss. We will enter a break of this high. Stop loss below the candle lows here. Now, let's see how that looks on my broker. I'm interested. On my broker, check this out on my broker, guys. This is very important. And this is showing you transparency of brokers. Look what that wick did on my broker. Can everyone see that? Can everyone see what that wick did on my broker? It broke the lows. My stop loss would have been placed right there at the lows. And with the little bit about a spread, maybe 0.1 pip spread, if we were to measure 0.1 pip, that would be definitely exceeding it. So let's go and review the situation. Where is our break-even zone? Okay, so notice how the broker broke that, right? Very important to look at it. Where's our break-even zone? This is our break-even zone. So scenario A, we went break-even, got stopped break-even, end of story. Scenario B is we didn't go break-even, but it would have stopped me out on my brokerage. Because I would have kept stops there. I wouldn't have kept stops down here. So end of month, everyone's going to be looking at this like, I missed a move. It was counter trend. It would have stopped you out, especially if you're trading prop firms. You're 100% stopped out with their spreads, right? And if you're actually trading conservative, since it's counter trend and end of month, you would have gone break even, right? Which would have ended you in doing what? Would have ended you in making nothing anyways. So even though this move looks extremely lucrative in hindsight, in reality, if you go back and subjectively look what actually happened in the market, it was not the case, right? It was not the case of what it looked like. And this is where you have to, as I always say, remember, a trader is always going to be very smart at the end of the day. At the end of the day, your brain disconnects and you start using your prefrontal cortex, not your amygdala, which is basically your fight or flight. And the market starts to make sense because you're trading in hindsight, all the options look clear. But when you investigate and are in the moment, it's completely different scenarios. And that's why a lot of traders feel like they know what they're doing, but when they put it into practice, it's a complete disaster. And you have to be able to change that, right? Through having a plan and process. Classic amygdala trading? Yeah, we all do it though. GJ looks like it wants to reach the top of this range and remain in the range. Gold is still trying to make up its mind. And I have made up my mind that let's come back next month. So I appreciate everyone showing up to the stream today. London volume in 13 minutes. No, London volume opened an hour ago, almost 47 minutes ago. End of month here. What an interesting last few weeks of the month, I have to say. Pretty boring, pretty stressful, pretty inconsistent. A lot of work I had to do to make sure everyone understands how to trade, navigate. But guess what? I didn't lose, right, in this week from doing so. I didn't lose in this week from doing so, right? Monday we had bank holiday, Tuesday BS, we just had BS. Like, this is going to be painful, but it's something we have to deal with traders. The most important thing is, did I lose because of my mistakes this week? No. We had options. Today we tried to take gold sells. They didn't trigger us into gold sells. If it triggered us, high chance that would have been a win. Why? Because we have probabilities. Yesterday we took gold buys. We were up about 10-11 pips. TP was 20 pips. It decided to come back to entry. We were playing it safe. So just a matter of waiting here and reacting accordingly. So let's see how we go into next week. I look forward for you guys showing up. I look forward to sharing the journey, and let's keep getting this. Let's get these pips. I'm really looking forward to this next quarter. Remember, we're going into a new quarter. New quarter changes a lot, obviously it's been nice. And let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Enjoy your weekend. If you're in the US, enjoy your long weekend. And big pips ahead. You know it. This is the Tradesharpe team. We do it different. We're the most consistent. We're gonna, this is what we're like, man. We show up here and we show realistic trading. We're not here for hype. We're not here for BS. And realize that. How many trades today? Maybe about 65 trades. 65 trades, all wins. So definitely check out what we're doing here. Something special. 65 trades, all wins. So Giveaway, we did the giveaway already, man. We did the giveaway. We've given away 3. I've given away this month almost $600 worth of giveaways. So I'll do that. You know, I'll say that's enough. And yeah, hope to catch you guys. Take care. Have a good weekend. With that being said, see you soon. And end of stream giveaway. Yeah, we did it. We did it about 10 minutes ago. So see you soon, and hopefully speak to you guys soon. Peace. See you all. Take care.